You see the silver play button, you see the view count hitting 1 million, and you immediately do the mental math. That creator is rich. But if you are building a YouTube cash cow business in 2026, you need to stop guessing and start calculating. The question isn't just how much money. The question is, how much does 1 million views actually pay? The answer is not a single number. It is a spectrum. One channel with 1 million views might make $2,000. Another channel with the exact same views might make $40,000. Why? Because in the business of YouTube, views are not the currency. Attention is the currency, and advertisers set the price. Today, we are going to treat this like an accounting class. We will break down the niche variable, calculate the specific value of Tier 1 countries, distinguish between long form and shorts, and finally, we will do the realism check, showing you exactly what YouTube takes and what the taxman leaves you with. The niche variable, the RPM difference. The most critical metric in this business is RPM, revenue per mille. This is how much you earn for every 1,000 views. This number changes everything. Let's look at the math across 3 different categories. Scenario A, the entertainment niche, gaming, vlogs, comedy. You run a gaming channel. You get 1 million views. Advertisers for video games or mobile apps are bidding on your audience, but the audience is often young, or they are just looking for free entertainment. The purchasing power is lower. Average RPM, $2 to $4. The math, 1 million views divided by 1,000 equals 1,000 units. 1,000 units times $3, average RPM equals $3,000 gross revenue. Scenario B, the lifestyle tech niche, reviews, tutorials. You run a tech review channel. You review cameras and laptops. Advertisers here are Canon, Sony, or software companies. The products are expensive. The audience is looking to buy. Average RPM, $8 to $15. The math, 1,000 units times $12. Average RPM equals $12,000 gross revenue. Scenario C, the high value niche, finance, real estate, business. You run a cash cow channel teaching people how to invest or buy houses. Advertisers here are banks, crypto exchanges, and real estate courses. They are willing to pay huge amounts because one customer is worth thousands of dollars to them. Average RPM, $25 to $45 plus. The math, 1,000 units times $35, average RPM equals $35,000 gross revenue. The verdict, the finance channel made $35,000. The gaming channel made $3,000. They both worked hard to get 1 million views. They both have the same watch time potentially, but the math of the niche made one channel 10 times more profitable than the other. When building a cash cow business, you don't just choose a topic, you choose your RPM. This realization shifts your entire strategy. It's all about growth from here. Hit that subscribe if you're ready to level up your strategy. The geography factor, Tier 1 versus global. Now, let's add another variable to the equation, geography. Not all views are created equal. An advertiser in the United States is willing to pay much more to reach a customer than an advertiser in a country with a lower average income. We categorize countries into tiers. Tier 1 countries, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Tier 2 countries, India, Pakistan, Philippines, Brazil, and many others. Let's do the math on a finance channel with 1 million views, splitting the traffic. Scenario A, global traffic, viral video. Your video goes viral, but the traffic is mostly global. For example, India and Brazil. Views, 1 million. RPM, because Tier 1 countries make up only 10% of the audience, the RPM drops from $35 to roughly $5. Total earnings, $5,000. Scenario B, Tier 1 traffic, targeted content. Your video is specifically about US tax laws or real estate in London. The algorithm pushes it almost entirely to the USA and UK. Views, 1 million. RPM, because the audience is pure. Tier 1, the RPM hits the ceiling, $40. Total earnings, $40,000. This is the geography gap. A cash cow business owner focuses on targeted traffic, not just viral traffic. It is better to have 100,000 views from the USA than 1 million views from countries with low purchasing power, assuming your goal is AdSense revenue. The format trap, long form versus shorts. Before we get to the final profit, we have to address the shorts trap. In 2026, YouTube Shorts are a massive way to get views, but the math is entirely different. Long form video allows mid-roll ads. Ads in the middle of the video allows multiple ad breaks. High watch time equals higher ad revenue. RPM for finance, $30 to $40. YouTube Shorts, ads are shown between videos as you scroll. You cannot choose when they appear. The view counts are inflated. A view on Shorts is often just a few seconds. The monetization pool is different. RPM for finance shorts, 5 cents to 15 cents. The math: if you get 1 million views on a long-form finance video, $35,000. If you get 1 million views on a finance short, $100 to $150. Yes, you read that right. $35,000 versus $150. Why? Because on Shorts, you cannot hold the viewer for 10 minutes. You cannot build the same depth of relationship. Advertisers pay pennies for that glance. For a cash cow business, long form is the asset. Shorts are the marketing tool to get people to the long form. You cannot build a sustainable business on Shorts RPM alone. Beyond AdSense, the business math. AdSense is the rent, but the real estate is the business. A sophisticated cash cow owner knows that the money on the screen is just a fraction of the potential. Let's calculate the total business revenue for that 1 million views finance channel. 1. AdSense the floor, $35,000 from our Tier 1 calculation. 2. Affiliate marketing description. And in the video, you mention a specific software like a budgeting app or a trading platform. Conversion rate. If 0.5% of viewers click and buy, sign up. 1 million views times 0.5% equals 5,000 conversions. Commission per sign up, $20. Conservative estimate. Affiliate earnings, 5,000 times $20 equals $100,000. 3. Sponsorships, the premium. A brand wants to sponsor your video because it got 1 million views. Rate, typically $20 to $50 per 1,000 views for a sponsorship deal in finance. Let's say $25 CPM. Sponsorship earnings, $25,000. The total math: AdSense, $35,000. Affiliates, $100,000. Sponsor, $25,000. Total gross revenue, $160,000. Suddenly, the channel isn't making $35,000. It's making 6 figures on one video. This is why we call it cash cow. AdSense keeps the lights on. Affiliates and sponsorships build the empire. The realism check. Gross versus net. Now, for the brutal truth, part of the math. You made $160,000 in gross revenue. How much do you actually put in your pocket? 1. YouTube's cut. YouTube is the platform. They provide the servers, the bandwidth, and the audience. They take 45% of the AdSense revenue. You keep 55%. You see $35,000 on the dashboard. YouTube already took their cut. You get the full $35,000 reported. But remember, they took their slice before it hit your dashboard. Wait, let's clarify. You received the 55%. If your RPM is $35, that is what you earned. The total ad spend was higher, but for simplicity, let's look at the sponsorship and affiliate money. 2. Taxes, the government's cut. You are a business. You owe taxes. In the USA, self-employment tax plus federal income tax can be around 25% to 35%. Let's estimate 30% for taxes. $160,000 times 30% equals $48,000 to the IRS. 3. Operational expenses, the cost of goods sold. You didn't make that video for free. Scriptwriter, voiceover artist, video editor, thumbnail designer, software tools. From a viral video with 1 million views, a professional cash cow business owner takes home over $100,000. Compare that to the gamer who takes home $2,000. After expenses and taxes, maybe $1,200. The difference isn't the views. The difference is math. So how much does 1 million views pay? It pays exactly what your business model allows it to pay. If you are in a low RPM niche with global traffic and relying only on AdSense, you are trading hours for pennies. If you are in a high RPM niche targeting Tier 1 countries and leveraging affiliates, you are building an asset. The view count is an ego metric. The RPM and profit margin are the business metrics. Stop chasing views, start chasing value. If this mathematical breakdown helped you understand the real business behind the screen, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see the math behind other online industries, hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more to uncover.